Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And nagpapasalamat ulit ako sa mga subscribers. Asan ang camera? Andito. Okay, sure. Okay. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Meron nagtanong kung ano ba ang mga kailangan sa pagbablog. Gawin natin simple at makabuluhan. Sana maibigay nyo to at please click like, share, and subscribe. You can also leave your comments below kung ano yung pwede natin idagdag. Kung meron kayong tanong, sabihin nyo lang kung ano pa yung gusto nating content. So ma-feature natin. We will find our resources to help you out. At sana magustuhan nyo. At please click like, share, and subscribe. Number one, syempre, kailangan natin ng gadgets. So, ano ba yung mga gadgets na pwede nyo i-basic use? So, meron tayong cellphone for camera. Ang ngayon, ang pinaka-high-end is yung sinasabi nilang octa-cord. Pero meron din ibang mga iPhone na pwede nyo gamitin sa pag-vlog. Pwede kayo mag-download ng mga editing tools sa inyong videos. Even your iPad will do. Mas maganda nga kung Apple kasi napakaganda ng capacity ng Apple. At yung iba ginagamit naman is Oppo. Ako ginagamit ko is Oppo A-S5 octa-core. And ito rin, monostick for the beginners, hindi siya kamahalan. Kung meron kayong sponsor, pwede kayong makakuha ng sponsor. Yung mga nag-a-apply ng credit card, nag-a-alok, they give some freebies. Sometimes they will give you monopod. At syempre, kailangan natin pangalagaan ang ating mga gadgets. So we have pouches. Ito sponsor ng isang ating kaibigan. Meron dalawang pouches para i-take care ang ating mga chargers at iba pang mga gadgets. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-highlight ng ating video. Yung Prestigio, this was then purchased 2016. Magkano kaya ito? Would you like to guess how much? You can click your comments below. This one, way back 2016, cost 7,700 pesos. So this was Gimbal. This is also Gimbal that needs to be installed onto your phone. So compatibility, ingat lang sa paggamit dahil itong stabilizer na to is napakahalaga. So imagine 7,700 pesos. Napakaganda siya in terms of angling your video. Sabi nga sa directorship, yung blocking na tinatawag. Pero this one, we will create a separate video. This is very, very, very helpful, lalo na sa mga starter. So if you started your video, just upload quality videos, upload quality contents to help others. I hope nakatulong to sa inyo with those simple gadgets. Ano pa ang mga kailangan sa pag-start ng vlogging to help others? And again, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ito ang inyong lista. Maraming pong salamat. Bago ko pala makalimutan, syempre, kailangan nyo ng editing video tool at gusto nyo mapakinggan kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng video nyo. Pwede rin mag-invest sa Bluetooth headset, pero kung meron kayong simple headset na cord, pwede rin. So, you can invest. This one is very, very good as for Bluetooth headset. Sound quality, very good. And I hope nakatulong to sa inyo. And we will show you the picture of the summary of the gadgets that we've covered today. Maraming salamat po. Please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Fred from the Baka Gaijin studios, and I'm the videographer of the team. But in this occasion, I've decided to do a video on how a gimbal works. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing it myself. And since I'm the videographer, I don't really like being shown on camera. That's why I'm not removing this face mask, this surgical mask. But I hope you guys are okay with that. Alright, so the reason behind this video is for us to shoot a little bit of the tutorial on how to use a gimbal. In this this is a gimbal I bought back in 2017. It's or rather 2016. It's a Prestigio gimbal. Back then it cost about 7,700 pesos, but nowadays it should cost a lot lesser than that. So without further ado, let's start using the gimbal. I'll start showing you how to use it. Alright, firstly, let's try this phone. This is an iPhone 5S. Okay, now it's actually quite easy to use. So all you have to do is to place the gimbal down first on the table. Now make sure that the camera portion of the phone is facing down, and it should be showing from the back of the gimbal. Do not do this, alright, because it won't show the camera lens. It has to be like this. See? It has to be like this. It's quite simple. All you have to do, stretch out the clippers. Make sure that the back of the phone is touching the base of the gimbal here to maximize stability. There you go. There you have it. Now, okay, so by itself, it's just doing this. So it's not working yet. And if you turn on the gimbal, there you go. See how easy it is. Now the gimbal actually has an app here on my phone, and in a bit a little bit later I'll be showing you how to use the Gimbal Pro app. In the meantime, let's try another phone. Okay, so to turn it off, if you want to remove your phone, you need to turn it off first. Make sure to do that, because if you remove the phone prior to turning it off, it will break the gimbal's balancing system here. Okay, now we're off to the bigger phone, bigger and heavier phone. Alright, there are actually phones that are bigger than this, but excuse me, in this scenario we'll be using the Samsung phone, which is slightly bigger than the iPhone S5 or 5S. Okay, so here it is. Here's the camera. So do the same thing. Make sure that the clipper is clipped on properly. There you go, and that the base is touching as well. Now, since this is a bigger phone, this is very important. To increase the stability for a heavier, bigger phone, you need to make the adjustment here. You see this portion of the gimbal? Okay, I need to loosen it up. Okay, and then push it. You can see it. Just need to push it. Okay, it's loosened. Then you need to pull it, right? Making this portion of the gimbal longer. See, by pushing it. See, there. Put it all the way to the end. Okay, tighten it up, and it'll have a more stable, more powerful balancing mechanism for a bigger phone. So here we go. Let's turn it on. Okay, the gimbal will start. There you go. See? Alright. Okay, so it's the same thing. It's a slightly bigger phone and a heavier one, but the gimbal can be adjusted so that it works on smaller, lighter phone and bigger phone. Okay, so let's remove the gimbal. Alright, now in this portion I'm going to show you guys on how the Gimbal Pro app works with the gimbal itself. So now I've already fitted the phone onto the gimbal, just turning it on. Okay, let's see it stabilized. There you go. Alright, now let's turn on the phone. Now the Gimbal Pro app is free from the internet. You can just download it. There's no problem. It's gonna be free. And let me show you how the app looks like. Here's the app right there. Okay, you can see it's Gimbal Pro. I just need to click it with the gimbal turned off, turned on. There you are. And then now see the app automatically finds a device. But if it didn't do that automatically, all you just need to do is to click on find device here. There you go. So it already sees the device. You just need to double tap that device. There you go. Now the phone and the gimbal is now paired. Now here's the beauty of what you can do about it. Let's say this bag. Alright, you want to take a photo or a video of the bag. All you need to do is to hit on the shutter here. You can either use it for photo or video. So let's take an example here. Let's take a shot of the bag, my bag here. And there you go. It takes a photo of the bag itself. So basically that is how the Gimbal Pro functions. Now if you look at the icons here, there's still a lot of other settings that you can play around with. It even has hues, it even has rate of frame even. Okay, if you'd like a higher rate of frame or a lower rate of frame, as long as your phone is compatible with that rate of frame, then the Gimbal Pro, you can actually use the Gimbal Pro itself to make your selection. So basically that's it. That is how the Gimbal Pro works. And again, my name is Fred. I'm working here with Ian Marcelo in this collaboration. I'm the videographer for the Baka Gaijin Studios. And alright, we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Right.